How to download Intesa Sanpaolo media stock. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Intesa Sanpaolo media stock on your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your app store. And after you're on your app store, simply search for Intesa Sanpaolo mobile. After you find the app, simply install it. Tap on the download button and it will install it itself. Now the installation speed completely depends on your internet speed, so just wait. And while you wait for it, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And yeah, that is basically it. Now after this downloads, you can open it up and use it as you'd like. And yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.